When I'm not writing songs about birds, I'm writing songs for my new favorite person in the world. Has anybody in this room ever heard of Daisy Taylor? Yes? Yes. Yes. Anybody in this room heard of her and don't want to admit it? You can see me after. Daisy Taylor is a trans woman porn star, and she has completely changed my life. Honestly, she has. So, I wrote her this song, and it's a little before and after. It's called Daisy Chainsaw. Daisy Chainsaw.
I'm ready. I love Daisy.
Strut, girl, strut, strut, girl, strut. Not you knock 'em dead. But it'll never go to your head, 'cause they ain't how you roll. Strut, girl, strut. Please, won't you make me your slut? This boy is well and truly cut by my Daisy Chainsaw. Help me cut through all the noise, pull my brain out of the wash, show me cocks and little boys, baby, can I have this crush? Oh baby, come and crush my crush. She opened my eyes, she opened my mind, and she helped me find what was buried inside. Every hole, every hole. Well, you heard she is someone rocker. All the days that she's a real showstopper. Says she don't wanna be a topper. Oh, the top is where she ought to be. My girl's changing all the rules. My girl, she's writing her own script. You better keep your hands to yourself, boy. You're gonna get ripped. Ripped. 'Cause she opened my eyes, she opened my mind, and she helped me find what was buried inside. Girl, you go so deep, through my body and soul. You bring this boy to his knees, you fill up every hole. I'm talking every hole, yeah. Come on, shred, girl, shred. I wanna watch you knock dead, but it'll never go to your head, 'cause that ain't how you roll. Come on, strut, girl, strut. Please, won't you make me a slut? And this boy is well and truly cut by my Daisy Chainsaw. By my Daisy Chainsaw. By my Daisy Chainsaw. Daisy Chainsaw. Cut it again. Thank you.